We have the following data set with 3 1s, 2 2s, and 1 3, and we want to calculate the skewness. To do this, we're going to use the following information. Let's first assume that this is the whole population. Let's extract the average of our data set. And now we're going to extract the standard deviation utilizing the standard deviation of the population. We're going to select the whole data set as well. For the number of data points, we can count how many data points we have, and in this case we have 6. Now we're going to use the equation that we see below. So for that, we're going to extract the deviation between every data point and the average. We're going to make this into an absolute reference and divide it by the standard deviation of the whole population, which we make it an absolute reference, and we raise it to the power 3. We're going to copy this to all the values below. So for the equation of the skewness, we're going to add all the values, and we're going to divide it by 6 or calculate its average. This is equivalent to using the SKEW.P equation for the population, and it gives us the same result. For the sample, we can extract the average, which is the same as the population. For the standard deviation, we use the standard deviation of the sample, and we grab the data points as well. The n is the same number of data points, which is 6. And the deviation is now the deviation between every data point and the average. We make this an absolute reference. Now we divide it by the standard deviation of the sample instead of the population. We make it an absolute reference, and we raise it to the power 3. We can copy this across the board. Now our equation of skewness requires us to make it equal to the number of data points divided by the number of data points minus 1, divided also by the number of data points minus 2, and then we can grab the sum of all the values in our column with the deviations. Finally, we can utilize the skew equation and put in the same data points as we had before, and we obtain the same results.